Hi, this video is about the Nova Ultra Lightweight Transport Chair. So when you receive your Nova Transport Chair to your home, it's going to show up in a box just like this, and I'm going to show you how to easily get it out of the box. So what I like to do is turn the box on its side. That way you can just roll the transport chair out of the box. So much easier than lifting it out of the box. And to open up the transport chair, it's so easy. It comes fully assembled. Just pull up on the arms and then open it up with the arms here and then push it down. All right, so this transport chair is so lightweight, so versatile, it can go just about anywhere. So it has these desk, or I call dining arms, that are sloped down. The great feature about this is that you can slide the transport chair under a table with a person right here, so they're great for dining and for tables. They also come with wheel locks, so to keep the transport chair in a locked position, maybe when the person is getting in and out of the chair. So these wheel locks are so easy to use. And you'll also notice behind the wheel we have what I call these curb pedals. So you can use your foot here and it makes the transport chair easier to get over a bump or a curb. The transport chair also comes with a safety seat belt, and this is adjustable, and then also straps here to make it easier to fold and unfold. The transport chair comes with footrests that are adjustable and so easy to use. I'm going to show you how to put them on. So there's going to be one for each side, and you want the foot place to face inward. So you'll see two hangers here. They will go over the pins and then turn it inward and it will lock into place. And then you can adjust the footrest. So there's a locking screw. You're going to release it to the left and then use the push button to adjust the length to lock it into place. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to fold up and carry your transport chair. So first, to remove the footrest, you just pull on this lever and release the footrest. And then to fold down the transport chair, you just pull up on these tabs and the arms will come right down. And then you just fold up the transport chair and you'll see how compact and lightweight it is. It's so easy to carry and store. And as with all of Nova products, it will come with our care, use, and warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.